Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce order processing times with ShipStation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce order processing times with ShipStation, begin by logging into your ShipStation account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the upper right corner. Select Shipping from the Settings menu. In the Shipping settings, look for Ship from Location and ensure all locations are accurately set up. Next, go to Automation in the settings. Create automation rules to streamline your shipping process. These rules can include automatically applying shipping presets based on specific criteria. Now, head to the Orders section of the dashboard. Filter your orders to identify any that require immediate attention. Select multiple orders using the checkboxes. Use bulk actions to print labels or fulfill orders, saving time on repetitive tasks. Move on to the shipping settings to choose your preferred carriers. Setting up carrier integrations can help you compare rates and delivery times. Ensure your shipping presets reflect the desired service levels for quicker dispatch. Consider enabling the order import feature for real-time updates from your sales channels. This will keep your orders synced across platforms, reducing manual entry errors. Next, implement branding options under the settings to enhance efficiency. Add your company logo and custom packing slips for a unified look. Explore the reporting section to analyze your order processing times. Identifying bottlenecks in your workflow will help you optimize your operations. Regularly review and adjust your shipping options based on these insights. Finally, stay updated with ShipStation's latest features and integrations. This ensures you're leveraging all tools available to reduce processing times effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.